Good morning, students. Today I will teach you English grammar, and the last chapter of our course is reported speech. In one video, students, I have already told you about reported speech. What is reported speech? What is direct speech? What is indirect speech? What is reporting verb? What is subject of reporting verb? What is object of reporting verb? What is the chart of personal pronoun? I have told you. I have told you that personal pronouns have three persons: first person, second person, and third person. You have made a chart like first person pronoun is I singular and we plural, and it has three cases: I subjective case, me objective case, my possessive case. I, me, my, mine. We, us, ours. They, them, theirs. He, his, she, her, hers, it, its. You have already written. You, yours. You have already written this chart. Students, I have also told you that if a reporter or a speaker speaks to someone, his speech is written in inverted comma. If that speech is written in inverted comma, that is known as direct speech or reported speech. And when we say the speech of reporter or speaker in our own words, that is known as indirect speech. In that video, I have already told you this. Students, here one sentence I have written. He says to me, "My brother is going to school." If you see this sentence here, he says to me. The speaker is he. The reporter is he, and he says something to me. Me is object of reporting verb. Says is reporting verb. He is the subject of reporting verb, and me is the object of reporting verb. And the sentence, the speech that he has spoken, his speech is written in inverted comma. Here, this speech is written in inverted comma. So this is known, this portion that is written in inverted comma is known as reported speech or direct speech. And when we change this direct speech into our own words, that is known as indirect speech. But to change the direct speech into indirect speech, there are a lot of rules, students. Now let's see one by one. Second thing also, first rule is there that if the reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, this is reporting verb. You see, in this sentence, he says to me. Says is reporting verb. Says is reporting verb. And the rule says that if this reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, then the tense of reported speech is not changed. Only pronouns are changed. For example, here you see, he says to me. This reporting verb is the present tense. Then the sentence of reported speech, my brother is going to school. This sentence of reporter, this reported speech, this direct speech is not, the tense of this reported speech will not, only pronoun will be changed. Let's see how the pronoun is there, my pronoun is there. But second thing, how you will change pronoun? Suppose the reporting verb just like say is in present tense here. And the rule says that if the reporting verb in the present tense or future tense, the tense of reported speech will not be changed. Only pronouns are changed. How you will change pronoun? See the rule of changing pronoun. Rule to change the pronoun. What is the rule? Rule is 1, 2, 3 upon S-O-N. This is the rule to change the pronoun. I am going to describe this. One is first person pronoun. Second is second person pronoun. Third person pronoun. Here below that, yes means subject of reporting verb, just like this is the subject of reporting verb. Says is reporting verb, he is the subject of reporting verb. O means object of reporting verb, like here me is the object. Says is reporting verb, he is the subject of reporting verb, and me is the object of reporting verb. Here the rule says that first person pronoun, if in the reported speech first person pronoun comes, it is changed according to the subject of reporting verb. And if the second person pronoun will be here in the reported speech, it will be changed according to the object of reporting verb. And if there will be third person pronoun, there will be no change will be there. If third person pronoun comes in reported speech, it is not changed. So this is the rule of changing pronoun. First thing, you have to see reporting verb, whether it is in present tense or future tense. If it will be in present tense or in future tense, no, then the tense of reported speech will not be changed. Only pronouns will be changed. But how pronouns will be changed? According to this rule, 1, 2, 3 upon SO, N. Next thing, first person pronoun will change according to subject of reporting verb. Second person pronoun will change according to object of reporting verb. And third person pronoun will change according to third person pronoun, no change. If there will be third person pronoun in reported speech, there will be no change in it. Further, second thing is that what type of sentence comes in reported speech. This sentence may be assertive. Assertive consists of sentences positive and negative. And this sentence may be interrogative, imperative, exclamatory or optative sentence. Different rules are there of different sentences, different type of sentences. Here the rule, second I have written, if the sentence of reported speech is assertive. Assertive means either positive or negative. Assertive sentence consists of two sentences, positive and negative. Positive sentence is also known as affirmative sentence. If the sentence of reported speech is positive or negative, means affirmative or negative, then what we do? Then if the sentence of reported speech is assertive, we change says into tells. Then in this case, says to that reporting verb says to will be changed to tells. If reporting verb is said to, it will be changed to tell. And if reporting verb is said, the said to will be changed to told. And we use that after moving inverted comma. So in this way, students, three rules we have to see. First thing that if the sentence of reported speech, if the reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, so the tense of reported speech is not changed. Second thing, only pronouns are changed. Pronoun how will it change? Pronoun will change according to 1, 2, 3 upon S square. Third thing, if the sentence of reported speech is assertive, then we change says to into tells, said to into tells, tell, and said to into told. And we use that after moving inverted comma. We use that after moving inverted comma. Let's see an example, then you can understand. See the example. He said to me. He says to me, my brother is going to school. This is direct speech. Because this speech is written in inverted comma. This is known as reported speech or direct speech. When a reporter reports something, when a speaker speaks something, a speech or a report, a reporter's speech or a speaker's speech, that is written in inverted comma is known as direct speech or reported speech. And this direct speech is going to change, I am going to change to indirect speech by following the rules that is given there. How we follow the rule? First we see that whether the reporting verb in the present tense or future tense or past tense. Here we should say he says, yes has been added with the first form of the verb. It indicates that it is simple, it is present tense. The reporting verb in the present tense. This rule says that if the reporting verb will be in the present tense or future tense, there will be no change in the tense of reported speech, only pronouns are changed. Here first thing we have found that this reporting verb in the present tense, so the tense of reported speech will not be changed, only pronouns will be changed. But how pronouns will be changed according to the rule 1, 2, 3 upon SO N. First, let's see what type of pronoun has come. First person has come, either first person pronoun has come, or second person pronoun has come, or third person pronoun has come. Now see, in this sentence we find my brother is going to school. Only one pronoun has come, that is my. My first person pronoun. I, me, my, and we as our student study. You have seen the chart, you have written the chart. So my first person pronoun. So according to this rule, first person pronoun is changed according to the subject of reporting verb. What is reporting verb here? The reporting verb is said and its subject is he. According to rule, my, this first person pronoun will be changed according to he, according to the subject of reporting verb. Second thing we have to see what type of sentence it is. Let's see. My brother is going to school. It is positive sentence, affirmative sentence. In case of means assertive sentence. In case of assertive sentence, says to is changed to tells, said into tell, and said into told. Here says to has come, then we will change according to the rule tells. So now see, let's change answer. He tells me. He tells me. In case of assertive sentence, after breaking inverted comma, after removing inverted comma, we use that. He tells me that. Now let's change the pronoun my. My is first person pronoun. First person pronoun is changed according to subject of reporting verb. Subject of reporting verb is he. So we will change my according to he. But first person pronoun will change according to he. But case also is changed. See the case. My which case? First, see subjective case, objective case, passive case. I is subjective case, me is objective case, passive is my is passive case. I be my is passive case. There is written. So passive case of he should also be written. He subjective case, him objective case, and his passive case. I be my. Here my is there. Here he is. His will be there. So passive case will be here. His. He tells me that his brother. Tense will not be changed. This tense will not be changed because we are putting in the present tense. He tells me that his brother is going to school. Why going to school? Not. He is going to school. That tense will not be changed here. He is going to school. This is the rule. Let's take one example of future tense. Reporting verb. If the reporting verb is in the future tense, then let's see another example. I will remove this. You will write it this one. Yes. One more example based on future tense. If reporting verb is in future tense, then also tense will not be changed. Only pronoun of reported speech will be changed. See the example. He will say to us. Comma inverted comma. He will say to us. Comma inverted comma. You are my friend. You are my friends. If we say to us, you are my friends. Now see, you have to change this direct speech. You have to change this direct speech into indirect speech. First of all, you will see reporting verb. Reporting verb will say. It is in future tense. This reporting verb is in future tense, so the tense of reported speech will not be changed. Only pronouns will be changed. What pronouns have come here? Let's see. Here you is there. One pronoun is you, and the pronoun is my. Two pronouns have come. You is first person pronoun, you is second person pronoun, and my is first person pronoun. Two type of pronouns have come, and these two type of pronouns will be changed according to the rule 1, 2, 3 upon so yeah. How? Let's see. He will say to us. Reported verb is a future tense, so the tense of reported speech will not be changed. Only pronouns will be changed according to 1, 2, 3 upon S. Secondly, what type of sentence here comes? You are my friend. It is affirmative sentence or passive sentence. So says to will be changed to tell. Here says to will be changed to tell. We can say to tell, and after we will on that will be used. Like example, answer. He will tell. He will tell us. After removing inverted comma, we will use that because the sentence of reported speech is assertive or negative any. If positive or negative is there, then that will be used after removing inverted comma. Let's change the pronoun you. You is second person pronoun. You, your. You is second person pronoun. It is changed according to object of reporting verb, and object of reporting verb is us. It means you will be changed according to us. See the case. Here students, no problem will come before you. That you is subjective case also and objective case also both. How can you clarify whether it is written here as subjective case in subjective case are in objective case. So for to find this, we see the place of this pronoun, whether it is in place of subject or in place of object. If you see the sentence, you are my friend, you is in place of subject, so it refers that you is written here in subjective case. You is in subjective case, subjective case of us should also be written as is objective case. If subjective case is we, then will be we are. Next pronoun has that is my. My first person pronoun is written according to the subject of reporting verb. What is the subject of reporting verb? Subject of reporting verb is he. It is my which is according to he. My which is according to he. See the case? My passive case. I mean my. Passive case of he will be he, him, his. In place of my, he will be written. We are his friends. This is the answer. This is the answer. In this way, students, you have studied that if the reporting verb is in the present tense or future tense, the tense of reported speech is not changed. Only the pronouns are changed, and the pronouns are changed according to the rule 1, 2, 3 upon S square. First person, one means first person, second means second person, third means third person. Yes means subject of reporting verb, O means object of reporting verb, N means no change. First person pronoun of reported speech is changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Second person pronoun is changed according to the object of reporting verb. And if third person pronoun comes, there will be no change in it. And if the sentence of reported speech comes as assertive, means positive or negative or affirmative or negative, no change will be in the tense of reported speech. Only pronouns will be changed according to 1, 2, 3 upon S. So, yeah. We change set into, as in the case of the certain sentence of reported speech, says to change to tell, said into tell, and said into told. And after we will now read that students I have given up based on these rules, and further I will tell you next day. Thank you.